Okay guys, just take a look at this soup. Just take a look at this soup. Okay guys, these are all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this soup today. I have my blended pepper, blended crayfish, blended ogbono, pumpkin leaf, which is called ugu leaf. Then I have my bevarrier, like a, if you are from Nigeria, I know this fish now. It's already been washed. Bevarrier. This is the main ingredient. Okay, it's called catfish or whatever, hairfish, whatever they call it. Then this is my smoked mackerel. Then I have my palm oil. I have my Maggi. Then I have my salt to taste. Then over here I have my meat that is boiling. This is my meat. Started boiling the meat. Guys, I have goat meat, turkey, beef, and momo. Okay, just to make this video not too long, I started boiling the meat already. These are my meats. The meat I'm going to be using. See, it's almost done, almost half done. Then what I'm going to do right now, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my blended pepper. Not all, maybe half of it. Then I'll add some of the crayfish. Give it a quick stir. Blended ogbono. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my oil. I'm going to add my oil to it. I'm just going to stir together till it make a paste. Add more oil to it. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to heat it up in the microwave for like about 1 minute. Okay, I've heated my ogbono up in the microwave for about 50 seconds or less. Yeah, now you can see the oil I've already dissolved. Okay, now I will set aside. Okay guys, let's check on our boiling meat. Now it's time to add our ogbono inside. I'm just going to add my I'm gonna sprinkle a little ugu leaf, which is pumpkin leaf. It's dry pumpkin leaf. I just soak it. You have to do it gently so that fish is very delicate. Okay, let's taste for salt. I've already had Maggi to boil the meat. Need some salt. I'm gonna add this amount of salt to it. Okay, let me add more pumpkin. This soup is looking so yummy and delicious, guys. Ooh. Let's taste more. Yes. Just allow it to cook. Allow it to cook. You know what? Let me add a little bit of crayfish to it. No, the more crayfish, the more. Adding more crayfish to it. At this point, if you are the type that doesn't like it too thick, you can add water to it. For me, I love it like this. The consistency is okay for me. Now we just allow it to cook so that the meat, the chicken, no, I mean the fish will just marinate inside the soup. Okay, it's very quick and easy soup to cook. It doesn't take much time. You see that bubbling, guys? I'm just going to add a little Maggi to it. I'm just going to add this much Maggi to it again. This soup is a lot, guys. Ooh, I'm gonna throw some. Thank you so much, everyone. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Share with Love TV. Put on your bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I really appreciate every one of you, and happy new month to every one of you out there. May this new month bring joy, happiness, favor to each and every one of us. Okay, remain blessed, stay safe, and enjoy your new month. And Merry Christmas in advance, guys. I love you guys. Look at this soup, guys. This soup will be perfect with any swallow of your choice. Any swallow of your choice is welcome. You can eat this soup with eba. You can eat this soup with your pounded yam. Yes. You can eat this soup with your fufu, your amala, right? Plantain fufu, whatever fufu you have. This soup is a go. Look at it, guys. If you are from Edo State, Benin City, you know what I'm talking about. With that fish that's inside, oh my goodness, that fish, this fish here, this is the main bomb. If you want to cook this ogbono soup, use this fish, then you know what I'm talking about. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. At this point, our soup is ready, guys. Our soup is ready. It's ready to be eaten now. Let me go boil some water and let me eat. Make some. I'm going to be making hot swallow for this soup. I'm going to be making hot swallow. That's what I'm going to be eating with this hot swallow. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate every one of you guys. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the love. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, like and share. Bye, everyone. Okay, guys, just take a look at this soup. Just take a look at this soup, guys. Just take a moment and look at this soup. See? Ready.